get on top of train. Hash 2 don't fall off that train. Hash 3 don't have your limbs outside the train. Hash 4 don't bring unnecessary things in a train. Hash 5 don't play hide and seek. Hash 6 don't bring a supervillain. Hash 7 don't take advantage of passengers. Hash 8 don't spill food or drinks. Hash 9 don't play GTA 5. Hash 10 don't bully passengers. Hash 11 don't wear costumes. Hash 12 don't wake up sleeping passengers. That's all I got for today. See you next time.
It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright.